The holidays are the perfect time to make your home feel extra special, and one of the best places to start is the porch. The porch is the first thing guests see when they arrive, and it sets the tone for the entire house. Whether you're looking for a simple and elegant setup or a more whimsical and fun display, Christmas porch decorations can help spread holiday cheer before anyone even steps inside. In this video, we'll take a look at some creative and festive Christmas porch decoration ideas that will help you transform your outdoor space into a winter wonderland. When we think about Christmas decorations, traditional styles often come to mind: rich reds, greens, gold, and silver. If you're looking for a timeless aesthetic, the classic Christmas porch is a great choice. The foundation of a classic porch design starts with a large, elegant wreath, ideally made of fresh greenery or even faux pine for long-lasting beauty. Hang it on your front door or in an oversized window to create a focal point that immediately draws attention. To give it a unique touch, you can add decorative elements like a bow made from red velvet ribbon, dried fruit, pine cones, or ornaments that match the rest of your decor. Next, consider using garlands to drape along the porch railings, columns, and door frames. You can use real greenery, such as pine or fir, or go for faux options that look just as authentic but require less maintenance. The garland can be adorned with fairy lights, adding a soft and enchanting glow to your porch during the evening hours. A few carefully placed ornaments hanging from the garland can further enhance its beauty and tie in with other decorations. You can also incorporate other natural elements like holly, fir branches, or even berries into the garlands for added texture and color. Another important component of the classic porch look is lighting. For a truly festive ambience, wrap your porch columns and railings with string lights or place large outdoor lanterns along the steps. Lanterns filled with candles or battery-operated lights create a warm, inviting glow that will guide guests to your door. If you're aiming for an elegant touch, consider gold or bronze lanterns that complement your color scheme. For a more playful touch, use multicolored lights or mix them with a few large ornament balls placed around the porch. Don't forget about the floor. A festive doormat that features cheerful messages like "Merry Christmas" or "Season's Greetings" adds an extra layer of warmth. You can also add decorative pots with poinsettias or red and white flowers along the porch steps. These vibrant plants will stand out against the neutral tones of the winter season, bringing life to your outdoor space and brightening up the entire entrance. If these Christmas porch ideas inspired you to transform your entryway, give this video a thumbs up and share it with friends who love decorating for the holidays. If you want to create a more enchanting, ethereal look, a winter wonderland theme may be just the thing. This theme relies heavily on cool whites, frosty blues, and sparkles to mimic the beauty of a snow-covered landscape. To get started, cover the ground and porch railings with faux snow blankets or white fabric, which will instantly evoke the sense of winter and create a soft, snowy look. These can be placed on the steps, around tree bases, and along the railing for a uniform snow-like effect. In addition to the snow, incorporate glittering snowflakes or shimmering icicles that can be hung from the eaves of the porch. Add strings of clear or white fairy lights to mimic the glimmer of ice crystals, wrapping them around the porch's columns, railing, and even hanging from the trees. For added winter charm, hang large snowflakes from the ceiling of the porch or from nearby branches. Consider using frosted branches, sparkling pine cones, or even faux ice formations to complete the winter wonderland effect. To enhance the winter vibe, you could also use white or silver planters filled with frosty-looking greenery or twigs. Add a few decorative winter animals, such as reindeer, polar bears, or snowmen. These elements evoke the magic and serenity of a cold winter day. Wooden reindeer sculptures, frosty snowmen, or even a sleigh filled with pine cones and wrapped presents will transport your porch into a snowy holiday scene. The beauty of this theme is in its subtlety and simplicity. Stick with a limited color palette of whites, silvers, and cool blues for a cohesive and tranquil aesthetic. You can even add a faux fur rug or throw blankets on chairs, encouraging people to snuggle up and enjoy the beauty of the season. With a few well-chosen touches, you'll create a winter wonderland that will make your guests feel like they've stepped into a holiday storybook. Which porch decor idea are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear how you're making your home's entrance festive this season. For those who love a personal touch, DIY Christmas decorations can add a heartfelt, homemade charm to your porch. These projects can be simple or elaborate, depending on your crafting skills and time available. For a DIY garland, consider gathering natural materials like pine, cedar, or eucalyptus, and intertwining them with red ribbons, cinnamon sticks, pine cones, and sprigs of holly. For a rustic, farmhouse-inspired porch, you could even add burlap bows or twine to your garland for a more natural look. If you're feeling particularly crafty, why not make your own wreath? A simple and modern option might involve a metal ring adorned with fresh greenery and metallic ornaments, while a more traditional wreath might include dried flowers, red berries, and ribbons. You can even make a whimsical, colorful wreath using felt, pom-poms, and other craft materials that fit with your porch's theme. Another idea for a personalized touch is to make your own holiday porch sign. Whether it's a large wooden board that says, "Merry Christmas, Let It Snow," or a sign with a festive quote, this DIY decoration will add a unique focal point to your entrance. You can paint or stencil the words and adorn them with garlands or mini ornaments to tie them in with your other decorations. Consider creating your own decorative porch containers as well. Use old buckets, barrels, or even wooden crates and fill them with pine cones, wrapped presents, or battery-operated lights. These can be placed near the steps or along the railing for an eye-catching touch. You can also make your own mini Christmas trees by decorating small potted plants or wooden tree cutouts with lights, ribbons, and other decorations. DIY Christmas decorations are not only budget-friendly, but they also add a level of personalization and warmth to your porch. The best part is that they give you the freedom to design something that reflects your unique style and creative ideas. For more Christmas decorating tips and inspiration, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss out on our upcoming holiday videos. If you want to make a bold statement this holiday season, why not consider going for bright, eye-catching colors instead of traditional Christmas hues? A vibrant porch setup can add an element of fun and energy to your outdoor space. Think turquoise, bright pinks, or bold purples paired with metallic accents like gold, silver, and copper. This style of porch design is perfect for those who love to stand out and want their entrance to radiate excitement. Start with a colorful wreath. Go beyond the typical red and green and opt for something that features bold hues like orange, pink, or electric blue. Large ornaments, ribbons, and even feathers can be added to the wreath for a more whimsical feel. When it comes to the garland, mix up the colors and opt for multiple shades of the same color family. This will create a cohesive yet dynamic look that's anything but boring. Bright, colorful lights are a must for a bold Christmas porch. Use strings of multicolored lights to wrap around your porch's railings and columns, or add oversized ornaments that light up to make a dramatic statement. For the front steps, consider using brightly colored outdoor pillows with holiday-themed prints, like snowflakes, reindeer, or Christmas trees. You can further embrace the boldness by incorporating large-scale decorations like oversized presents wrapped in shiny, metallic paper or large candy canes placed strategically around the porch. A whimsical Santa figure or a reindeer adorned with bright lights can make the porch feel playful and exciting. Don't be afraid to mix and match textures and patterns. This can give your space a lively and energetic holiday atmosphere. This style of decoration is ideal for families with young children, those who love the playful side of the holidays, or anyone who simply wants to make a cheerful, colorful statement during the Christmas season. Check out our Christmas decor playlist for more ideas on how to deck out your entire home, from porch to tree and everything in between. Your Christmas porch is more than just a place to hang a wreath. It's an extension of your home, a space to show off your holiday spirit and creativity. Whether you choose a classic, traditional design, a cozy winter wonderland, or a bold and vibrant statement, your porch will set the tone for the rest of your home. From wreaths and garlands to DIY projects and lights, the possibilities for creating a festive entrance are endless. Ready to get started on your Christmas porch transformation? Head to the description for links to all the products and decorations featured in today's video. No matter your style, the key to a beautiful Christmas porch is in the details. Taking the time to carefully select decorations that reflect your personality, family traditions, and the spirit of the season will make your porch a welcoming haven for your loved ones. Enjoy the process of decorating, and let each item you choose add to the story of your holiday home.